Welcome back to Main Addicts YouTube channel.
My name is Brittany Sullivan. I'm from Northern California and I've been a stylist since 2011.
My name is Irinel De León. I'm from New York, specifically Westchester, and I've been a stylist for about 15 years.
My name is Sabrina Porsche. I am from San Jose, California, and I've been a hairstylist for 17 years.
I feel like I probably started doing hair on my sister.
As cliche as it sounds, I used to use my Barbie dolls.
I was about 5 years old. My aunt was laying on the couch and she asked my mom if she could braid her hair, and my mom, I think, was either sleeping or she was somewhere else, but I actually tried to do a cornrow on her and I was able to accomplish it. It actually came out really nice.
All-time hair icon, I feel like I have a few.
I gain inspo from all over the place, like watching the movie Marie Antoinette. The styling, the makeup, the hair, it's so cool.
Not all-time, I mean, she's obviously pretty young, but I love Zendaya. And I love Kate Moss.
The original Sparkle, this is before Whitney Houston and Jordan Sparks, and that kind of inspired me to want to do hair today.
When I really need an energy boost on set, then I normally go for an iced almond milk latte. And I like to say almond milk first because then you're for sure getting an almond milk latte. If you say it at the end, then it might have gotten forgotten.
I typically drink black tea, specifically Earl Grey, loose leaf.
5 hour energy. I know that's terrible, but I don't drink coffee and it's literally what works best for me.
I would want to have a ton of hair ties, like one of those CVS packs of hair ties with like 20 on it. A scalp scrub, maybe a dry shampoo.
3 hair products on an island. Whey treatment mask, I have it in my hair right now. Olaplex cream that I love and it leaves my hair like super soft. And another product would be coconut oil. There's like so many healing properties in coconut oil that a lot of people don't know about, and I feel like that's one that just does really well with my hair.
I would bring Not Your Mother's Curl Activating Mousse. The second thing would be any kind of edge control. I have to have my edges laid. The third thing would be a dry shampoo, preferably the IGK Detox dry shampoo. That's probably one of my favorites.
I think Jen is just so inspiring. I trust her with our careers.
It truly represents what the new age of hairstylists really are. I feel like so many of us are so diverse and we come from all different walks of life. And the fact that it was curated by Jen herself, I feel like she's very particular on who she selects.
So I actually met Jen Atkin at the Main Addicts Give Back Day 2019, and she saw my work. I was braiding someone's hair and she actually came and assisted me. And I knew right then that I wanted to be a part of whatever she had going on. And then she DM'd me randomly and asked me if I wanted to be a part of the collective, and I thought that was amazing. So I'm super excited to be here.
I like being a main stylist because I love the team that I get to work with. I really like being able to travel and meet new people all the time. It's just been a really awesome experience.
During fashion weeks, we work on so many different types of women and so many inspiring individuals, and it's the group of people and it's the team that we have. We have such a great team that, you know, we travel a lot. There's always exciting things going on. We work with a ton of different brands. So every day it's something different, and that's what I really enjoy.
Obviously getting great products and awesome tools, but the best thing for me being a freelance artist is probably having someone do my books and my invoicing. That's awesome.
I get into my coziest pajamas. This is not something that other people I have a kombucha and a book and just like totally enjoy myself in the peace and quiet. To do that about once every 5 years. No, I'm just kidding.
I'll take at least 2 days off a week for myself and not even think about work. I will binge watch movies, I'll read books, I go on walks with my friends, even hiking, and try not to think about work, period.
So, marry beach waves. For the long-term 90s updos, you'd have to kill them, I'm sorry.
Curtain bangs. Marry, I'd say 90's UpDo and kill beach waves.
Is there a
I'm gonna
reason?
get so much crap for that.
That's cute.
I would marry the 90's UpDo. I'm an 80's baby. I lived in the 90's, so it makes sense. I would kill the beach waves because I don't really like to wear my hair in beach waves. It doesn't work for me. And I would a good curtain bang.
Someone is unhappy, I really try to relate to them. I also try to remind them that this is not permanent.
I feel like the route to unhappy clients is miscommunication with the stylist. One of the most important things that I learned when I first became a stylist is having a proper consultation with your client. The longer the consultation and the more that you have an understanding on what your client needs, the better off you are in the end and the better the result is gonna be.
I have not had to deal with an unhappy client yet in my career. Hopefully I don't have to deal with that, but I've been very blessed and I'm so thankful that I have not had an unhappy client so far.
Usually they will have some sort of an idea, or I'll bring some inspo photos along as well.
This is such a collaborative process, especially when you're doing a client to go to an event or a red carpet. I typically keep a ton of photos on my phone, probably thousands of photos that I find on Instagram, on Pinterest, or just find inspiration from my peers and my colleagues. Just got rid of 20,000 photos, and right now I have 24,785. So I had close to like 50,000 photos on my phone. Yeah. It's really bad.
So when I was in Paris, I had taken my gel out of my bag. I
Yeah,
cannot even believe that I'm saying this. Okay, so I had taken the gel out because it was too heavy. And then I forgot that I was going to just get like a gel when I got to Paris. So I get to one of my clients and she wanted to do finger waves, which is a very gel-centric style. But I didn't want to say no because I really wanted to do finger waves. So I used like any of the items in my kit, and I gotta say, did some finger waves.
I'd say probably 2 years into cutting hair, I was working in a salon and I mistakenly grabbed the scissor when I thought it was a thinning shear. And I started kind of thinning the hair out up here.
Something that people don't know about my job is that I do both makeup and hair. I carry 2 kits, one for makeup, one for hair. They're both the trunk size Calpacks from the Jen Atkin collaboration. And when I'm traveling, it is so hard to get both of them under 50 pounds. I'm not even kidding.
I work constantly. People are constantly asking me questions, including family. Everyone wants either their hair done or they have a ton of questions about products or different styles that they should get or different conditions that they may have. My work literally is never done.
You can find me on Instagram at Britt Sully.
People can reach me on Instagram at Irinel. It's a hybrid of hair and Irinel.
You can reach me on Instagram at Sabrina.Porsche and on TikTok at Sabrina Porsche.
Okay, last question.